Hello, people of Papua New Guinea, and a warm welcome to all our viewers from around the world tuning in. Are you tired of relying on people to give you money? Or are you just darn lazy? Well, have I got some exciting money-making ideas that can help you today. In this video, I'm going to share 4 surefire ways you can start earning extra cash right here in the beautiful country of Papua New Guinea. Whether you're a student, a worker, or just someone looking to make a little extra on the side, these side hustles could help you out. So stick around because you're not going to want to miss what's coming at number 4. So hang tight, keep watching, and prepare to be amazed. Alright, let's dive in.
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
Number 1. Become the betelnut and cigarette tycoon of your local community. Now, I know what you're thinking, selling betelnut and cigarettes. How boring. But hold up my friends, because the side hustle has the potential to be a real cash cow if you play your cards right. You see, betelnut and cigarettes are practically the lifeblood of Papua New Guinea. People here love their buoy and their smokes, and they're willing to pay good money to get their hands on the good stuff. And that's where you come in as the entrepreneur extraordinaire. Imagine this. You set up a vibrant, eye-catching betelnut and cigarette stand right in the heart of your neighborhood. You've got the freshest, juiciest betelnut sourced straight from the best suppliers. And your selection of cigarettes? Unbeatable. From the classic local brands to the latest trendy imports, you've got it all. But it's not just about the products, my friends. It's about creating an experience. You deck out your stand with colorful umbrellas, maybe even a little sound system blasting the hottest tunes. You greet every customer with a warm smile and a bit of friendly banter. Before you know it, your stand is the talk of the town, the place to be for all your betelnut and cigarette needs. The best part? The money starts rolling in faster than you can say, Kina. People will be lining up to get their fix, and you'll be raking in the profits, all while having a bit of fun and bringing some excitement to your community. So what are you waiting for? Grab a sack of betelnut, stock up on the smokes, and get ready to become the betelnut and cigarette tycoon of your local neighborhood. Trust me, the money will start flowing in before you can say, buoy. Number 2. Become the scrap metal recycling superhero of your area. You might be surprised to learn that there's a booming business opportunity hiding right in your own backyard. The world of tin cans and scrap metal. In Papua New Guinea, these unassuming items are like gold to the savvy entrepreneur. You see, scrapyards and recyclers across the country are constantly on the hunt for quality tin, aluminum, and other recyclable metals. And they're willing to pay top kina for the good stuff. All you have to do is put on your treasure hunting hat and start scouring your neighborhood for hidden gems. Imagine stumbling upon an old rusty bicycle frame or a stack of dented soup, or even empty soda cans that your neighbors have been hoarding. With a little elbow grease and a keen eye, you can turn that trash into serious cash. Just gather up your haul, give it a good crush and clean, and you've got a veritable treasure trove on your hands. Now, the key is knowing where to take your tin and metal bounty. You've got to scope out the best scrapyards and recyclers in your area, the ones offering the highest prices. And let me tell you, the competition can be fierce, so you've got to be quick on your feet and sharp as a tack to come out on top. But when you nail it, the rewards are sweet. Imagine rolling up to the scrapyard with your truck bed full of crushed cans and twisted metal, only to walk away with a wad of cash that would make a banker blush. It's like turning trash into treasure, my friends. And the best part is, you get to do it all from the comfort of your own neighborhood. So what are you waiting for? Start scouring your streets, raiding your neighbors' recycling bins, and get ready to become the tin can and scrap metal superhero of your local community. Trust me, the money's waiting to be made, and it's just sitting there waiting for you to scoop it up. Number 3. Become a grass guru. You see, a lot of homeowners in this country just don't have the time or equipment to keep their yards looking pristine. Between long work hours and busy schedules, those lawns can quickly turn into overgrown messes that are the bane of the entire community. But that's where you come in, armed with your trusty machete or lawn mower, ready to transform those shaggy, neglected yards into lush, freshly trimmed oases that make the whole neighborhood shine. For just 20 to 30 kina per house, you can provide this valuable service that busy homeowners will gladly pay for. The earning potential is huge if you can line up a steady stream of clients. Imagine the pride and respect you'll feel as the go-to guy for all things grass-related. The neighborhood's lawn mowing champion. Homeowners will be thrilled to have found their lawn taming savior, and they'll make sure everyone knows about the amazing work you do. All it takes is a little elbow grease and the determination to start knocking on doors, introducing yourself, and offering your lawn taming expertise. Before you know it, you'll be booked solid with grateful clients who can't wait for you to work your magic on their overgrown yards. Alright, before we reveal number 4, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss our next big update. Ready? Let's go! Number 4. Become a YouTube superstar and cash in. You know, these days, it's not just the big-time celebrities and TV personalities who are raking in the big bucks. Nope. The real money is being made by a new breed of online superstars, the YouTube creators. And the best part is, anyone with a camera and a bit of creativity can get in on the action. That's right, my friends. YouTube monetization is alive and well in Papua New Guinea, and it's just waiting for you to tap into it. Imagine turning your passions and hobbies into a thriving online business. Whether you're a gaming guru, a cooking connoisseur, or a master of ceremonies, there's an audience out there just dying to watch your content. But it's not as simple as just hitting the record button and waiting for the cash to roll in. Nope, you've got to put in the work to build up your channel, create engaging videos, and grow your following. But trust me, it's worth it when you start seeing those sweet YouTube earnings hit your bank account. So, how do you get started, you ask? Well, first things first, you'll need to sign up for a YouTube account and enable monetization. This basically means you're giving YouTube the green light to slap some ads on your videos and start generating revenue. And the best part? You get to keep a hefty chunk of that ad money for yourself. Next, it's time to start creating content that's going to wow your audience. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're an expert in, or what kind of entertainment you can provide. Then, grab your camera or even just your smartphone and start filming. Remember, the key is to keep your videos high quality, informative, and above all, entertaining. As your channel grows and you start racking up those views and subscribers, you'll eventually hit YouTube's monetization threshold. That means you're eligible to start cashing in on your hard work. And let me tell you, the earning potential is pretty darn impressive. We're talking enough to quit your day job and become a full-time YouTube superstar. So what are you waiting for, my friends? The stage is set, the cameras are rolling, and the money is just waiting to be made. Get out there, start creating, and get ready to become the next big YouTube sensation in Papua New Guinea. Alright folks, there you have it. 4 side hustles to boost your cash flow in Papua New Guinea. The road to prosperity in Papua New Guinea is wide open. All you have to do is choose your path. Whether it's selling betelnut, recycling cans and scrap, mowing lawns, or building a YouTube empire, the earning potential is massive if you're willing to put in the hustle. So what are you waiting for? Seize the day, turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, and watch the kina start rolling in. Your bright financial future is calling. All you have to do is answer.